Good afternoon. My name is Adam Morris with MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're going to walk through a 2023 Boston Whaler 38 realm that's available for sale. We're going to check out the engine package here. These are the Mercury 600 V12s in the white color. Inside you have a nice spacious cockpit, rear facing seats. Underneath you have a cooler. Nice fold out bench seat here in the cockpit for extra seating, but also tucks away for extra fishing room. Fish boxes in the floor. We're going to switch positions so you can see the nice port side dive door. Easy sideboarding and diving. This particular 38 realm was equipped with the live well package. So this does have the live well. We've moved the grill and a nice sink. Your cockpit seating flips to the forward position. Your helm seat will turn around, so you have 4 people sitting underneath the hardtop in air conditioning. We'll move our way to the helm. We've equipped this boat with triple 19-inch Simrad chart plotters, echo sounder, open array radar. We've also put a sunroof in the hardtop. Wanted to point out we have the open window configuration, so it has the side glass, not the full enclosure, which is great for Florida. We'll make our way to the bow. Nice open seating. Table goes up and down and has a filler cushion. And of course you have a windlass anchor system, premium audio sound. This is the RL realm, so it has the new upholstery, which is very nice. And we will catch you on the running side.